Japan. Today I enjoy karaage. You know karaage? Karaage is Japanese fried chicken. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First, cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. The meat shrinks when fried, so cut it slightly larger than the size you want to eat. Transfer the cut chicken to the bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and mix them well. Then add 1 teaspoon of grated garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and mix them well. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cooking sake and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and mix well. Cover with plastic wrap and let the seasoning soak into the chicken for about 15 minutes. In a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet sake, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and the amount of red pepper powder you like. Mix well and heat. When the sauce boils, turn off the heat. Add your favorite amount of sesame seed and mix them. The spicy sauce is completed. Next, let's coat the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil to the chicken and mix them well. By adding oil, you can make the fried chicken juicy. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cake flour and mix well. Next, add 2 tablespoons of potato starch and mix well. Next, deep fry the chicken. Pour plenty of oil into the pan. Heat the oil to 160 Celsius degrees on fire. Fry the chicken. Today, I'm making a lot of karaage, so fry them half by half. After 1 minute and 30 seconds, stir the oil with chopsticks. After frying for another 1 minute and 30 seconds, remove the fried chicken from the oil. Fry the other half of chicken in the same way. Deep fry in oil at 160 Celsius degrees for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Stir with chopstick and fry for another 1 minute and 30 seconds. Remove the fried chicken from the oil. Next, heat the oil to 180 Celsius degrees. Fry the karaage again. The crispy fried chicken is completed. Finally, dip half of the karaage in the spicy sauce. Add the fried chicken to the saucepan and mix them well. The basic karaage and spicy karaage are completed. Today, I made 2 types of karaage. Unlike regular fried chicken, Japanese karaage is often flavored with soy sauce. In Japan, karaage is often included in bento box. You can also enjoy karaage with alcohol. It's very crispy, juicy, and delicious. So please try making Japanese karaage.
Thank you for viewing how for your comments. See you next week. Bye!